Hi, I'm Megan Hall, and welcome back to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I test and rate one generative AI tool every single week so you don't have to. This week, I tested Beautiful.ai, which is a tool that helps with presentations and slideshows. I tested the free trial of the Pro version, which costs $12 a month for an individual. The team version costs $40 per user per month, but you can also pay $45 for a one off slideshow without a subscription with all of the Pro features. Beautiful AI has a number of pre-designed templates. It's also enabled with some AI elements, including auto spacing, the ability to rewrite text that you've already put in, and color correction. But the big draw of this tool for me is that it allows you to enter a prompt and have a slideshow auto-generated for you. So I decided to test that in the review. That specific tool is called Designer AI. So I asked Beautiful AI to create a slideshow for me based on this prompt. A presentation that convinces the audience to subscribe to a once weekly newsletter called the Gen AI Toolbox. The newsletter tests and rates a generative AI tool every week, and its goal is to help professionals level up their knowledge of AI tools without having to spend as much time testing for themselves.
This is what Beautiful AI gave me. And all of the slideshows that I created with Beautiful AI have the same core elements: a title slide, some sort of data slide, a timeline slide, a word cloud slide, some sort of testimonial slide. But the images are strange and sometimes they're inappropriate for work, as you can see here with this photo of Alex Jones, who's a known conspiracy theorist, which is part of the generated slide deck.
I also asked Beautiful AI to create a single slide about design thinking, so I inputted the following prompt: a single slide that highlights the importance of design thinking to innovation. Here's what I got. As you can see, it's far more than just a single slide, and the quote text here is not strong, so it would have to be edited. It's repetitive, it shows the same timeline twice with a different heading on the slide, and overall, I think it would need a lot of work. All that in mind, I'm not super impressed with Beautiful AI. Its AI generated presentations still need a lot of human intervention, and doing that can be tough because of the auto features that are already embedded into the tool. So things like automatic color contrast or auto spacing actually interfere with your ability to edit the slideshow to look how you want it to. And I think the AI integrations are just okay. It really feels like there are other existing tools that would allow you to start with a presentation template and do something extremely similar. It may not be that Microsoft PowerPoint is the one that you go to anymore, but something like Canva would do just as good a job. I understand that a lot of AI tools are meant to be a launch pad, and Beautiful AI, of course, is no exception. It's not supposed to provide you a presentation that you could immediately turn around and present to your board, to your audience, or to a leader. But if you're going to be writing the majority of the text anyway, using a template from another site doesn't seem like it would be that much of a heavy lift compared to this. As a reminder, I'll be rating each tool out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give Beautiful AI 2 out of 5 stars. It's very easy to learn, and a quick tutorial walks you through how it works, the AI integrations, and more when you sign up. The quality of the end product using the designer plot was okay at best and would require a lot of work from a human. I think other tools are more robust and are just as easy to use, especially if you enlist ChatGPT for specific copy help. So for me, the value of this tool isn't quite there. Thanks so much for joining me for the 4th episode of the Gen AI Toolbox, and I'll see you next Friday.